Okay, we're going to do a super speedy black and white mono conversion, and not only that, we're going to do it in lab color, and we're going to use my little friend up here called Actions. If you've never used Actions before, watch what happens. I press the play button, black and white. Now that was just over a second, and you're probably thinking, well, what on earth happened there? Well, let's go in and have a look. And I did this action in next to no time while I was actually converting it. So I had my original image, I converted it into lab color, which is there. I deleted the A and the B channel, put those in the bin. I went up to my image mode and converted it back into a grayscale because all the other ones are grayed out. And from grayscale I could then put it back into RGB, like so. But as I was doing these, as RGB, yeah. As I was doing these, I was recording it as an action. And if we go back in history, we can actually do this together. So if your action is there, I'm going to click a new file, that little file icon down there, and I'm going to, with my extra speedy typing, call this one Quick Mono. Now you can set it into a different actions folder. You can actually give it a function key if you want to, and a funky color. And I'm going to just hit record. Now, it won't record anything until I do something. So I'm going to go to Image Mode, Lab Color. And you see there it's recorded that, Convert Mode. I'm going to go into my channels, and with the Shift key, select those two. So they're selected, then hit the bin. Yep, delete those two. That gives me a black and white, but unfortunately it gives me a black and white in multi-channel. So I want to convert that to grayscale because I want to jump back in and have it as an RGB. So you can leave it as a grayscale if you want to. Me, I'm going into RGB, a bit more flexible if you want to come back and play with it again. We've done that, hit the stop button there on the left hand side, and we've recorded that action. Quick Mono. Let's go back in history at the start. Let's look at our action again. Get the stopwatch out. Let's get onto it, select it, press the go button, which is that one there, play selection, and are you ready? It's done. Quick as that. So, speedy actions, and not only actions, but a very quick black and white conversion method. I might be doing a few more actions with you, just to show you how quick it is to process things. Let the power of Photoshop do the work for you. And I've just shown you here how quick it is to actually record as you're going along. A very simple little action which will give you an interesting black and white. We could also do it with other things. We went to lab color, we deleted the channels, we went to grayscale and to RGB. And it was as quick as that, converting a color RGB into lab color into a black and white, then back into RGB again, and doing it all as an action. Okay, that's been me for this time. This has been Adobe Photoshop CS6. Until the next time, bye for now.